Do you love the look of always on display but hate how it quietly drains your battery over time? If that's so, then this one is for you. Today I'll show you how to set always on display to auto on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra so your phone stays smart and efficient without you doing a thing. Let's get started. First, go to the setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap always on display. Next, tap when to show. And then select auto. With this setting, your always on display is now set to automatically turn off when it's not needed. That includes time when your phone is face down, has not moved for 5 minutes, or when you are sleeping or in a dark room. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.